Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at a sleek and versatile audio solution for your home, the SkySpeaker pair of 8-inch in-ceiling speakers. If you're someone who wants immersive sound without cluttering up your space with bulky speakers, these are designed to deliver exactly that. The SkySpeakers are all about premium sound with a discreet design. Each unit features a two-way setup, combining a powerful 8-inch woofer with a pivoting tweeter. The woofer handles rich, deep bass tones while the tweeter ensures crisp highs, giving you full-range audio coverage that works beautifully for both music and home theater use. The pivoting tweeter is a big plus because it allows you to aim the sound directionally, so whether you're setting up a living room, kitchen, or even a multi-room system, you can adjust the audio to perfectly match your space. One of the key highlights is the flush mount design. These speakers sit seamlessly in your ceiling, blending in with your room's aesthetics while still providing robust sound. That means no more bulky towers or shelves filled with speakers, just clean, hidden audio that looks as good as it sounds. The installation process is designed to be straightforward, with mounting tabs that secure the speakers firmly in place. Plus, the paintable grills mean you can customize the look to match your ceiling color, making them virtually invisible once installed. Performance-wise, the 8-inch woofers give these speakers an edge over smaller in-ceiling options. The larger size means they can move more air, producing stronger bass and fuller midrange. Paired with the pivoting tweeters, you get well-balanced sound that works for casual listening, movie nights, or even distributed audio throughout your entire home. These speakers are built with multi-room audio in mind. Whether you're wiring them up in just one room or across multiple zones in your house, they integrate seamlessly into your setup. Pair them with a quality amplifier and the right speaker wire, and you've got a clean, professional-grade installation. So if you're looking for a blend of aesthetics, flexibility, and performance, the Sky 8-inch in-ceiling speakers are a fantastic choice. They disappear into your ceiling but fill your home with rich, dynamic sound. Check the link in the description to grab your pair today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more audio and tech reviews here on Gadgetverse.